If you're seeing this video, this is 100% for you because everything you've been told about wealth is backwards. You've been told to learn more strategies, more information, more content. But let me tell you the truth that nobody's saying. That's not why you're stuck. The real reason is identity. And most people don't want to hear about that because it means the problem is not outside of you, it's internal. And if you don't fix this one thing, you can spend years learning, grinding, consuming, and still staying in the same place. I've seen people read hundreds of books, watch thousands of videos, course after course, and still not make any real money. Now, why is that? Because their identity never changed. They were still thinking like the same person, making the same decisions, operating from the same self-image. And your life will always match how you see yourself, always. So if you see yourself as someone who always struggles, you'll find ways to struggle. If you see yourself as someone who's always trying, you'll always be trying, but never arriving. And that's the trap. The real enemy is the idea that more information will save you. It won't, because information without identity just creates frustration. Now, let me tell you where everything shifted for me. There was a time where I was doing everything right, learning, studying, taking action, but nothing was clicking. I had to sit with that for a minute because it didn't make sense until I realized something. I was trying to create results from an identity that didn't match. I wanted wealth and success and prosperity, but I was still seeing myself as someone who didn't have it. And that's the gap right there. That's why most people stay stuck. So I stopped focusing on doing more and started focusing on becoming more. I changed how I saw myself first before the money showed up, before the results showed up. I became the person internally, and then my reality had no choice but to catch up. That's the shift. That's the new path. You don't chase wealth, you embody it. You don't wait to feel confident. You decide that you already are. You don't act based on your current situation. You act based on the version of you who already has what you want. That's the law of assumption. That's how reality actually works. Now, I've seen this over and over again. People who shift their identities start making new decisions, start taking different actions, seeing different opportunities, and their life changes fast. Not slowly, fast. So here's a simple ritual that I want you to start doing. Every day, just a few minutes a day, just close your eyes and step into the version of you who already has it. See it, feel it, move like it, think like it. Make decisions from that place, not your current reality, your future identity, because that's who you're becoming. And the more you do that, the faster that gap closes. This isn't theory. This is how the law of assumption works. This is how transformation actually happens. So if you're ready to stop repeating the same cycles over and over again and actually become the person who creates wealth, this is your moment. Comment what you're focusing on right now. Is it money? Is it mindset, consistency, relationships? Then go to the pinned comment in this video, and that's your next step.